Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits, coming to you live from my fortress of seclusion, yonder basement. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today I want to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency and why you should never listen to any YouTuber when it comes to cryptocurrency. And do not go into the comments of any cryptocurrency video and try to get information out of the comments section, because the comments section is being gamed so much by bots. It's amazing. Their game of flooding the comments with information is so good. They got about like 9 or 10 commenters. They will place the first comment and then they'll place more comments under it agreeing with the first one, and they're so good with it. Usually the first one will be like, yes, this is a great video you've made, thank you for making this video. I have also made a lot of money with cryptocurrency, but you should go with somebody, have somebody show you how to spend your money, and I would go with this individual. And then, not immediately, but later, someone else will chime in, and then someone else will chime in, and then someone else will chime in, and they'll all talk about this first person that made them all the money and why you need to go with professionals in cryptocurrency to spend your money. Okay, you don't need to go with any individual. There's nobody out there that knows anything. So right now, we are in uncharted territory where no one absolutely knows anything. Bitcoin is so unpredictable. Cryptocurrency is so unpredictable. We're just going to put it over to the side right here. I'll take you back to the stuff that's not so unpredictable, the stuff that is certified, accredited, and everybody goes with. Wall Street investments. Have you ever seen The Wolf of Wall Street? One thing that's always stuck with me from The Wolf of Wall Street was a section at the very front of it that underlined how they were going to get into what they were going to do. And that was, nobody knows how the market's going to go. Nobody knows how the markets could go. It could go up, down, left, and right. And what these individuals' jobs were was to sell stocks. They were just there to sell stocks. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Let's pull this stuff back. This cryptocurrency, unregulated stuff that's in the deep web, that's in the dark, operated by the internet. No one can predict it. It can go up, it can go down, it can go left, it can go right. But I will tell you, there's one thing out there. There's a lot of spammers, there's a lot of pump and dumpers, there's a lot of individuals who want to get you to spend money, who want to build faith around everything. Now, I am not I'm not great with my money. I'm not an investment individual, and you shouldn't listen to me. But you shouldn't listen to me about how to make money. You should listen to me about how not to make money. And I can definitely tell you that there's a lot of people gaming the system when it comes to YouTube and cryptocurrency. A lot of pump and dumps going on. It's so well known about that if you go into any cryptocurrency website, they laugh at crypto YouTubers, because crypto YouTubers are always interested in mostly themselves. And yes, that is kind of like the human condition. It is capitalism, but there's a certain line you shouldn't cross. There's a certain line you shouldn't cross. Now, to me, all of this seems to be based in faith. Now, when it comes to faith, there are placebo effects for yourself often. Placebos, which ultimately was like, let's just say this is a pill. A little pill that you can take that might make you feel better because you believe it makes you feel better. Well, the placebo effect is actually something that works. People take placebos and they'll just start to feel better. It's been proven. It's unfortunate that way. It works. And a lot of people have placebos for a lot of things when it comes to faith. When it comes to religion, a lot of people will think this way, so it'll work that way for them, and they'll be happy for it. In the stock market, there's a lot of stuff where if you can get enough information out there, you can raise people's faith in something, and by raising people's faith in it, it makes it true. Faith-based reality, man. Anyways, that's just how things work. So there are a lot of people out there, especially on YouTube, because YouTube gets to people really quickly, that you need to go with this guy, that guy, or the other guy. And when you do this, it will make you money. And the YouTubers themselves trying to tell you what to spend money on. And there's a lot of YouTubers who've been caught up in pump and dump. And what pump and dump is when YouTubers come out, they're like, yeah, hey, there's this new Bitcoin. Everybody needs to buy it, because if you don't, you're going to be left out. Look, everything's going great. The margins are high and all this good stuff. And then as soon as it's worth more money, that YouTuber will dump it. And a lot of people out there with cryptocurrency that doesn't even know what it's about. I know people that fully use cryptocurrency who have no idea what a node is, who have no idea what a private key is. There's actually a long-running joke about that. Crypto Nick within BitConnect couldn't tell you what a private key was, and he had a Lamborghini. The reason he had a Lamborghini was because he was getting on YouTube with his camera and telling people, buy BitConnect and use my code. The thing with BitConnect was that you put money into it, you put Bitcoin into it, and it would always give you, I think it would always give you 5%. It would always give you a stupid high number, and everyone kept throwing more and more and more and more money into BitConnect. Fortunately, the unfortunate part came around when it just stopped working. BitConnect was like, we're not giving you money anymore. We are giving you BitConnect token. That's what we're paying you out in. And all the money that you had invested in us, you're not getting any money back. You're not getting any Bitcoin back. You're getting BitConnect tokens. And then all of a sudden, just like that, people start disappearing because they owed money or they were collecting people's money, putting it into BitConnect, and then getting the money out. And when they lost everyone's money, they disappeared. I remember hearing 2 Indian individuals that set this up. Absolutely disappeared, but this was a scam based off that faith, and these YouTubers are getting a lot of money from BitConnect because they were using their code. Now Crypto Nick would be like, hey, get these Bitcoins. People out there are like, yeah, we're going to get these Bitcoins. We're going to use your code, Crypto Nick, Trevon James, and one other guy. Crypto Chick got a lot of money out of that, and all they did was get up and they were like, hey, cryptocurrencies, I'm making money off of them. You could also be making money off of them. But seriously, check out the comment section. No true people really ever, my comment section right now, no true people ever comment in the comment section. All right, so let's take a look at the back end of my YouTube here. So here you can see, this is the last crypto video that I made, and I got over 40 comments in them. I never get 40 comments. Even about my crypto stuff, I never get 40 comments. 6 likes, hey, that ain't so bad. But seriously, when you get into the comments, most of them are just this one. Check this one out. For real, crypto is profitable. Crypto is the new gold. I wanted to trade crypto, but got confused by the fluctuation in prices. That's when we start. Yeah, here we go. We're throwing out the name Mr. Clevin. Yep, Mr. Clevin. Oh, yeah, Mr. Clevin has done so much good stuff to me. Crypto trading with Mr. Clevin. Man, look at how much these guys are gaming this thing. It's unbelievable. And here we got another one, Rodwick George. Pumping Rodwick George. So yeah, man, definitely never trust the comment section either, right? I'm going to leave the bots up. Take a look at the bots. Make sure this runs for 24 hours. Take a look at the bots. The bots are unbelievable. These bots, it's so crazy how quick they come up, how many of them reply, and they're all talking about the same jobber guy that nobody's ever heard about and saying, you need to get your stuff through him. I recommend him. That's what they'll be saying, but I don't recommend anybody. But I want to say there are a lot of people out there that only have money for referrals. They're into Bitcoin, they don't know how it works, and they only get money through referrals. And that absolutely happens, and we're getting those millionaires coming to the top. One of these days, I'm going to find out what happened to Crypto Nick, Trevon James, and that other jobber that made so much money. He went from that last guy made millions from pumping it, and then once he was done, he started an inflatable bouncy house rental service. But yeah, don't listen to any YouTubers about cryptocurrency. Not even me. Especially don't listen to any YouTubers who give you an affiliate link. Never. Don't listen to any commenters in any YouTube video because they got that system gamed so well. It's amazing. And through this, I really think there's a big pump going on in cryptocurrency. I don't know if there'll ever be a dump. I mean, the housing market, let's face it, at least within Canada, Jesus, really coming up in the United States too. They just never lose money. But at the end of the day, what I want you to know is if anyone tells you that they can absolutely guarantee make you over 4% a year, 100%, maybe we should raise that to about 7. I'm pretty sure it's 4% that nobody can actually guarantee you because nobody knows. Nobody knows. The market could go up, it could go down, it could go left, it could go right. Nobody knows. Nobody has a crystal ball to see into the future. And even if they did, who is to say that that crystal ball is actually reading your future? Because mathematics has shown us the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, all up to the 24th dimension exist, which means we're not the only universe. There's multiple universes, and nobody has decided which one we're on or what point in time we are. through them. So nobody can tell the future. Everyone can give you information. Perhaps there's more information you don't know about. Perhaps this information that you have, not everybody else is going to get. So the information that you know might not get to them. If it doesn't get to them, price ain't going to go up. The whole thing is based in chaos and faith, in my personal opinion. I don't know how the stock market isn't considered a gamble. I can't tell you the overall everything. What I can tell you is if someone promises you 5% gains, absolutely guaranteed, he's full of it. Nobody can actually say that. Nobody can say that they know, because nobody knows. And never listen to the comment section of any YouTube video. Never listen to any YouTuber. But the nuance is, who do you listen to then? Because it's not like there's anybody out there officially who knows anything about how this is going to go. This is all chaos. It's not even supposed to be working. In an ideal world where we're in the 80s, everyone would have faith in the markets. Everyone would have faith in what's going on and think that what was going on at the highest levels was so cool, was cool as a cucumber, that they didn't need intervention. But as time goes on, we see more jackasses out there that find more and more ways of gaming the system. As time goes on, they will game the system. We get a lot of people out there that as soon as they find a way to game the system, they're not your typical all-American individual who's only interested in the right of the average individual, or the proletarian even, perhaps, even though they think they're left, and they go to church and they think they're great people. There was a situation, I'm pretty sure, it was in one of the Afghan-Iraq war, one of those things, that a lady found out that there was a way to game the system, to send something small and just get whatever money that you charge for. And they ended up selling bolts to the government for like thousands of dollars. And seemed like nice enough ladies, but as soon as they found a way to game the system, they weren't such nice ladies anymore. And I don't know, man, money changes people. We all know that. End of the day, if anyone says they can make you more than like 5-7% a year, they're full of shit. Don't listen to them. And don't listen to any YouTubers. Don't use affiliate links. And don't listen to the comment section. Don't leave a comment. Look at my comments, though, and see all some of the crazy stuff that's going to get left there. This is a bit of a honeypot. This is a bit of a honeypot thing. I'm going to see what kind of flies I can drag into this. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, this is it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. That part is definitely always appreciated. More importantly, keep your soul clean. Don't be doing nothing sketchy online. And take care of each other, folks. Have a good one.